How to fix your TikTok cannot access effects. So by the end of this video, I'm going to be mentioning you all the steps that you want to take in order to fix this problem. The first one is pretty generic. What you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, which should go ahead and fix your problem. If not, you can try restarting your router. Now, in order to go ahead and add effects, you want to click on the plus icon, select the video you want, and then tap on effects. If it is not working, what you want to do is go to your profile icon, and then you want to simply go ahead and tap on your menu, then settings and privacy, and free up space, and simply go ahead and clear cache. Once you've done that and it's still not working, what you want to do is open your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using, and check if there are any updates available for the application. If not, you can simply try restarting your mobile device or even uninstalling and reinstalling the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.